Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to fulfill orders on Shopify Zendrop. So in order to do this, first of all, you'll have to log in to your Zendrop account and connect your Zendrop with Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, log into Shopify using your user credentials and you'll be on the Shopify's dashboard. On this dashboard, click on this apps button here. You'll see a search bar appearing at the top. In this, search for Zendrop. Now select Zendrop and this is going to take you to this Shopify App Store where you will be able to see the pricing, highlights, rating and all the information related to this application on this page. So you can read all these descriptions or you can skip it by clicking on the install button. So click on install and this is going to open another page, that is your Shopify's homepage. On your homepage, you will see an install button appearing. Click on this install button to install Zendrop application. After this, you'll be automatically promoted to your Zendrop application if you would have logged in. If you don't have a Zendrop account, you will have to create a Zendrop account. After creating an account, you'll be automatically on your dashboard. You will see your store at the top left on this page. Now, in order to add any product from Zendrop to Shopify, you'll have to navigate to My Products section. And if you don't have any products, click on Find Products, search for a product that you want to import. For example, I will import this product. So I'll click Add to My Products on this page. Now I will navigate to My Products. As you can see, I just added this product and it's appearing here. I will have to now click on Review and Publish. Now we have successfully connected our Zendrop with Shopify. After linking both of these platforms, you will have to simply navigate to the Orders section here at the left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on Orders, it is going to show you this page where you will see your received orders on Zendrop. Now, you'll have to just fulfill these orders by clicking on this Fulfill Order button. It is going to show you this small pop-up where it will show you the summary of this order. You'll have to simply click on the Fulfill Order button at this page also and complete the payment by entering your payment information. Complete it and you would have successfully fulfilled your order on Zendrop Shopify. So that's how you fulfill orders on Zendrop Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.